The Beach Picnic. A story by Joe Hall and Isobel Mair School. It was a sunny day and Daisy the dog was painting. She was painting a plant she'd grown herself. Later that day, Daisy was going on a picnic to the beach. Daisy felt happy because she loved painting and picnics. Just then, she heard her friends the mice. "Hi, Daisy," they squeaked. "Are you going to the picnic?" asked Daisy. "Yes, are you coming too?" asked one mouse. "I am, but I need to finish my picture first. I'll see you later," said Daisy. "Just follow the signs to the picnic and you'll find us," said the mouse. Then all of the mice left for the beach. Daisy was happy with her finished picture, so she left it to dry. Then she set off to follow the signs to the picnic. Daisy passed some beautiful flowers which smelled sweet and yummy. The flowers made her feel very happy. In the wind, it looked like they were dancing. As she walked along, Daisy met Madge the hedgehog, who was wearing a yellow hat. "Do you like my hat, Daisy?" asked Madge. "It's new. I got it for the picnic," she explained. "I love your hat," said Daisy, who was wearing a hat too. Madge was pulling a big red basket. "What's in that?" asked Daisy. "Picnic food," said Madge. "Your favourites, cupcakes and strawberries." "Yum," said Daisy. "Let's go. It's this way to the beach." So the friends carried on their journey. They saw a boat in the distance, so they knew they were going in the right direction. Then Daisy the dog and Madge the hedgehog met Rory and Dean. They were bringing extra rugs to sit on for the picnic. The spotty rug was really soft, and Daisy knew she wanted to sit on that one. The two friends carried on their journey. They could hear the sea was quite close now as they crunched and scrunched over some shells to get to the beach. The mice were already at the beach and had put out the food. There were sausage rolls, noodles, grapes, bananas, hot dogs and pizza. Madge added strawberries and cupcakes. It was a picnic feast. When they'd finished eating, the mice bounced up and down. "Dancing time!" they squeaked, and they put on their favourite tune and started to dance. "This is the best picnic ever," said Daisy the dog to her friend. "It is," said Madge, laughing. Everyone joined in the dancing. Daisy was right. It was the best beach picnic ever.